Coconuts, a tropical delight, a hard-to-open challenge with a very nutritious juice and pulp. Coconuts are not only healthy but are a symbol for vacation and relaxation. Nothing better than drinking a fresh coconut. That is, if you can get it open. The work that goes into attaining these fuzzy nuts is no easy task. Workers will endlessly climb trees, risking their lives to snag the few coconuts a tree produces. Coconut trees grown in proper conditions produce around 50 coconuts or more annually, with the tree flowering periodically throughout the year. As time goes on, the coconut meat will start to build and the water will get sweeter. At 12 to 14 months, the coconut will fall from the tree naturally, and you will have the brown coconut. At this stage, it's the highest fat content, has the most calories, and is considered to be the most useful out of all other life stages. After 14 months, the coconut will start to sprout. If planted and cared for, it will be a coconut tree in just 4 years. As far as health goes, the list goes on and on. For every 100 gram serving of coconut, there are about 354 calories. Raw coconut meat supplies a high amount of total fat, especially moderate content of carbohydrates and protein, packed with micronutrients and fatty acids. Regularly ingesting coconut will dramatically improve your energy levels and support good health. Here are some other benefits of coconut. Regulates thyroid function, improves digestion, treats epilepsy, prevents urinary tract infections, weight loss, boosts your immunity. Also, it's a great option for skincare and hair care. For hair, coconut oil will help your hair grow healthy and thick. The coconut oil gets deep into the cuticles of the hair and nourishes it with all the vitamins and fatty acids the coconut has. A hair product I would normally use would be this product here. For skin, coconut helps keep skin moisturized and has antimicrobial properties that help treat acne and protect the skin. Also works for joint pain. Coconut oil is used to ease the pain and arthritis by reducing inflammation. It improves the ability to absorb calcium and magnesium in the bones. There are plenty of lotions on the market. Here are some of our recommendations. Coconut can improve your brain function. Studies show that MCTs in coconut oil break down into something called ketones, which can be used by brain cells for fuel. So technically, it's brain fuel. You definitely want to make sure you're getting quality MCTs. Here's the best MCT oil on the market. It has the most customer reviews and has the highest rating. All these recommendations have links in the description.